In this video, we're looking at addition and subtraction of matrices. Now, this is a very, very easy thing to do. When you add two matrices together, all you are doing is adding one cell at a time. What I mean by that is we'll take the 1 plus the 3 here to get 4, the -1 plus the 5 here to get 4, the 2 plus the -2 here to get 0, and the 1 plus the 0 here to get 1. And that is it. That's how you add matrices together. There's not much more to say, so yeah, that's it. It's a fairly simple skill. Now, it should be said that you can only add matrices together when they have the same dimensions. So we've been looking mostly at these 2 by 2 matrices, but we can have 3 by 3 matrices. We can even have ones that aren't square, so ones like this 2 by 3 matrix. And the rule is you can only add two matrices together if their dimensions are exactly the same. And when they are, that's known as matrices being additively conformable. And that just means they conform to each other, i.e. they have exactly the same dimensions. So let's look at another little example. Let's say that we've got one matrix and it's this 2 by 3 matrix. And we've got another additively conformable matrix, also a 2 by 3 one, B. Let's work these out. So what is A plus B? Well, A plus B, we do 2 plus -1 is 1, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 plus -3 is 0, -2 plus 0 is -2, and that's A plus B. A minus B, well, it's just what you'd expect. 2 minus -1 is 3. 0 minus 5 is -5. 1 minus 5 is -4. 0 minus 2 is -2. 3 minus -3 is 6. And -2 minus 0 is -2. And there's A minus B. And you can multiply them by numbers as well. So 2a plus 2b, well, let's just do this in 2 stages. 2a, we just double all the values in a. So you can multiply a matrix by a number. Here we just multiplied a by 2. And then we're going to be adding on 3b. And 3b, I'll just multiply every entry in b by 3. So it's totally fine to multiply a matrix by a number, a constant. Now we add them together. 4 plus -3 is 1, 0 plus 15, 2 plus 15, 0 plus 6, 6 plus -9, and -4 plus 0. And there is 2a plus 3b. So that's how we add and subtract matrices. Very simple. As long as they are additively conformable, i.e. they've got the same dimensions, you can add them and subtract them in a straightforward way. See you in the next video for multiplication.